how to see Roblox follower and friend list. So if you want to see followers and friend lists in Roblox, it is actually quite simple. First, you simply open your browser and go to roblox.com, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Then what you want to do is, after you log in, click on the profile icon from the top right hand side. Then once you go over there, you'll find all these options. So here you can see your followers option. Just go to followers. Now when you're here, you'll see all of the friends that you have. If you have friends, you'll see your following, you'll also find followers, and you'll also find new requests. And these are simply some of the ways on how you can go ahead and then find your followers and friends on Roblox. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.